letter A. So, shear stress due to load alone. Yung load natin is equal to 60. Then, each bolts magkikarry ng 10 kN. Kasi nga, 6 yung bolts natin. Then, para maging shear stress siya, di ba? Force over area lang yan. So, area lang siya ng bolt mo. So, 10 times 10 raised to 3 para maging Newton over the area ng bolts. So, given yung diameter ng bolts. So, to solve this one, use your calculator. So, 31.831 MPa yung sagot natin. For letter B, most critical bolt. Sa pag-identify class ng most critical bolt, dalawa lang yung criteria. Either magdedepende ka dun sa distance ng bolt dun sa centroid niya kung sino yung pinakamalayong bolt sa centroid. So, by inspection, ito yung magiging centroid ng bolt group, no? Kasi may axis of symmetry sila. So, madali lang. Pero kung wala, kailangan yung isolve yung centroid niya by Varignon's theorem. So, sa unang criteria, malalaman nyo yung most stress kung yung bolt na yun is malayo sa centroid. So, mag-assign tayo ng pangalan ng bolts. A, B, C, D, E, F. Dito, so wala na tong C at saka D kasi nga hindi sila malayo dun sa centroid. Pero yung A at saka B, so pareho yung distances nila. Pati din yung sa E at saka F, same sila. So, yung pangalawang criteria para malaman natin is kung yung bolt na yun is malapit dun sa line of action nitong applied loads. So, sa bolt B, siya yung malapit dito sa line of action ng applied loads. Nakukuha. Ito yung line of action ng applied load na P is equal to 60. So, therefore, yung most stress dyan is bolt B. Bolt B. Next, letter C. Shear stress due to moment alone. To solve this one, kunin natin yung moment is equal to P times E. So, 60 times the eccentricity of 200. Therefore, yung moment natin dyan is 60 times 200. So, 12,000 kilonewton mm. Next, determine the PTX para sa mga torsional forces. So, equals to M y over summation x squared plus summation y squared. So, para makuha natin yung summation ng x squared tsaka y squared, so ganito yung pag-solve natin. So, A, B, C, D, E, F. Yung mga distances ng mga bolts na to in terms sa x horizontal or the horizontal. So, sa bolt A, yung distance niya, horizontal distance niya is 50. No? Itong letter A. So, yung horizontal distance ng A is 50. Same with the bolt B, mga horizontal distance nila, so pare-pareho, 50, 50. So, lagay lang natin dito 50 squared 50. Next is the vertical distance ng mga bolts. Ito yung vertical distance ng bolt A sa centroid. Papunta sa centroid. Ito. Yan. 100 mm. Same with the bolt B, 100 mm. Sa bolt C, so, nasa axis siya, sa centroid of, yung axis niya is eksakto sa centroid. So, wala siyang vertical. Pero yung E at saka F meron. So, tag 100. So, 100 squared. Yung B, yung wala lang is yung C at saka D. 0, 0, 100 squared, 100 squared. So, let's get the summation of x squared is equal to 50 squared. 50 squared times 6 na bolts, 15,000. Then, summation ng y squared, 100 squared times 4, 40,000. So, equals to, so let's solve the PTX. Yung moment natin is 12,000 times yung Y. Yung Y dyan, class, is yung sa most critical bolt. Na 100. No. So, yung sinasabi ko dyan, yung Y dyan is ito yung centroid, then yung sa vertical distance ng most critical na 100. So, yun class. So, 100 over the summation x squared plus summation y squared. Therefore, yung PTX natin is 12,000 times 100 over 15,000 plus 40,000. So, 21.818 kilonewton. Next is the PTY. MX over summation x squared plus summation y squared. So, again, yung gagamitin mo is yung M na nasolve na natin, 12,000 times X. Yung X mo is yung horizontal distance nung most stress mo papunta dun sa centroid na 50. 50 over 15,000 plus 40,000. Therefore, yung sagot natin, 12,000 times 50, 15,000. So, 10.909 kilonewton. But we are not done yet because what we need is the shear stress due to moment alone. So, para makuha natin yung shear stress, kunin muna natin yung resultant nitong torsional forces, PT x squared plus PT y squared. So, 21.818 squared plus 10.909 squared. So, 24.393 kilonewton. Then, para maging shear stress, so 24.393 times 10 raised to 3 para maging Newton over pi over 4 times the diameter of the bolt na 20. So, 24.393 1,000 over pi over 4 20 squared. So, 77.645 MPa yung sagot natin. Next is letter D. Need to determine the maximum shear stress. So, draw ko lang ulit yung mga bolts. Okay, hindi na. So, dito ko na lang i-draw. So, pinapanganap na klase is yung maximum shear stress. We know that the most critical bolt is yung bolt B. Ito. Then, para makuha natin yung direction ng mga torsional forces, yung gagawin natin is, ito yung centroid. So, magkoconnect ka lang. Coconnect mo lang yung mga bolts dito sa centroid. Then, ganyan. Then, para malaman mo yung direction niya, alam natin na dapat counterclockwise yung direction. So, yung arrow mo, ito yung magiging torsional forces mo. So, papunta siya sa counterclockwise direction. Then, ito, sa pagdodraw dapat perpendicular yung arrow na papuntang counter. Ganyan. Ito, horizontal. Yan. Ito. Ganyan. So, notice na pa-counterclockwise yung ikot ng moment ng mga resisting bolts. So, sa letter B, so, ito yung mga torsional forces. Then, para madraw natin, so, i-add naman natin yung mga direct shear. So, may isa lang naman tayong direct shear dito na present, which is yung vertical. Pero kung example, meron dyan na horizontal, so, present din dyan yung direct shear na horizontal. Kaya may PDX dyan, no? Pero dito, meron lang tayong PDY kasi siya yung vertical direct shear. So, wala tayong horizontal. So, kung i-add natin sa free body diagram, ito yung PDY, direct shear sa vertical. Ito yung PDY. Same with this one. Ito din, meron din. So, lahat yan. May mga direct shear in vertical axis. So, solve natin yung letter D. So, gagamitin natin yung most stress. So, yung most stress dyan is yung letter D. Yan. Ito is PT. Resultant torsional. Ito is PDY. So, sa most stress bolt natin, wala siyang PDX. To solve the resultant, So, P dx plus P dx squared plus P plus minus pala to. P dy plus minus P dy squared. So, let's substitute the values. Yung P dx natin, wala na to kasi wala tayong horizontal axial force. Pero meron tayong PTX na nasolve natin kanina na 21.818 squared plus yung PDY natin na equals yung kanina, yung 10 plus siya, yung PTY natin kasi upward, no? PTY upward na 10.909 10.909 squared. Tama. So, yung magiging resultant, so 21.818 squared plus 10 plus 10.909 squared is 30.219 kilonewton. Then to solve for the maximum shear stress, FB is equal (30.219 times 10 raised to 3 over pi 20 squared. So, using our calculator, we can compute it. So, 20 squared. So, 96.191 MPa yung sagot. So, that's So that concludes our lecture in bolted connection subjected to eccentric load.